Here's another tree on your list. This is the American sycamore. This is one we looked at in the floodplain forest video, and like I said, it is a species that we commonly find growing along river systems, streams, around lakes. It can tolerate a few weeks of flooding in the spring before the growing season, and it's the one that has that brownish bark that quickly exfoliates to reveal the creamy white green underneath layer of the bark. So really striking, very easy to identify when you have that pattern of looking for the white and green bark underneath the initial brown bark layer. It has a leaf that looks a lot like a maple leaf. So hopefully this is in camera view. It's alternate branch though, so it's not a maple. You know, you'll quickly recognize that it's not in the maple group. But the leaf itself does look like a big sugar maple or a big Norway maple leaf. It won't have the zigzag or the creamy white sap coming out of the petiole, but it does resemble a maple leaf. And there is a tree that is not native to the US, but it's been planted all over and is native to Europe, called the sycamore maple, which is a maple and has a leaf that looks like a sycamore. One of the striking things about the sycamore, besides the bark, but one of the things that kind of can help you identify it even when it doesn't have leaves, is that it has what's called a zigzagging twig pattern. That is, between the different buds, the angle of the twig changes. So it goes from right to left, basically. So this one is going to my right, and then from this bud here, the angle is to the left. That's another distinctive sycamore characteristic. So changing that angle every time it grows from one bud to the next.